Hello everyone, and today we'll be fixing a Galaxy Note 2 using another Galaxy Note 2 as a donor of the logic board. Because the one with the good screen has a broken logic board, and the one with the bad screen has a good logic board. So today, we'll be transferring the logic boards over from the bad screen to the good screen. So let's begin disassembling the phones. And disassembling the Note 2, the Note 2 has a lot of screens, but it's pretty easy to disassemble since it's all the same type of screw and the same length, unlike iPhones where every screw is freaking different. Like what? Stupid Apple crap. And after unscrewing all the screws, just unclipping the clips by just sliding the plastic tool around the edges and one in the battery area, because of course there's a clip there. But yeah, it's pretty easy to disassemble this phone. And now we just basically remove the board from the bad screen. This is a good board. I forgot which one's the good one, which one's the bad one, because I'm wasting the server because the audio got fucked up again. But yeah, wait. This is more screws and more unclipping. Now, we are removing the good board, because this is a good board. And clip the cables, the Lego connectors, and that one screw. And we put this bad screen aside and take the good screen and insert the good board into the good screen area. And struggle to do that because of all the connectors and stuff just dangling all over the place. Now we connect everything to the board. And struggle with the antenna cable as usual. Yeah, the antenna cable really doesn't like me, like, at all. Plus a screw fell under the board, that's why it wasn't sitting in place correctly, but it fell out and I kind of lost it, but I found it. So I'm screwing the screw into the board now. And finally, I connected the coaxial connector and clipped the camera in place. Now you're inserting the battery into the phone and testing that all went good. It in fact all went good. As you can see now, the phone is turning on and has power, and you're actually gonna see if it boots into the OS, because you know it might be bricked or something. So far so good. And bam, it booted, and of course it's not wiped, because how the hell the previous user could have wiped this phone when, you know, the screen is broken. But yeah, now we're just gonna do some quick tests, and we can turn off the phone, because I need to put on the back plastic and the back plastic and the back plastic independent stuff. So yeah. Now we're doing some quick reassembling. We are also reassembling we're also gonna be reassembling the other phone, because why have a bunch of parts dangling all over the place if I can just have a completely broken phone instead of a bunch of parts dangling in the place. So I assembled this phone and turn it on. And then I reassembled the other phone. And well, we are done. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.